In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin important posts in your subreddit. If you've ever pinned an announcement, rules post, or update to the top of your subreddit, and now want to clean things up, unpinning is a quick and simple process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to know it's worked, so you can keep your subreddit's top section organized and up to date. First, open Reddit and go to your subreddit where the pinned post currently appears. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the proper permissions, such as a moderator or the owner of the subreddit. Only users with those permissions will see the options needed to unpin a post. Once you're on your subreddit's main page, scroll until you see the post that's currently pinned. Pinned posts usually appear at the very top of the feed and may be marked as pinned or announcement, depending on the interface you're using. Take a moment to double check that this is actually the post you want to unpin, especially if you have more than one pinned item. Now, look for the icon with 3 dots next to or below that post. This is often called the More Options menu. It might be near the share button, the comment count, or other post controls, depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile. When you've located the 3 dots, click on them to open the full set of options for that post. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take. Among those options, look for the one that says Unpin, or something similar, such as Unpin from top. This is the control that removes the post from that special pinned position. Go ahead and click on Unpin. After you select Unpin, the post should immediately lose its pinned status. To confirm that it worked, refresh the page or go back to your subreddit's main feed. The post should now appear in its normal chronological position or lower in the feed, depending on when it was originally posted, instead of staying fixed at the top. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the 3 dots and then selecting Unpin, you can quickly manage which posts stay highlighted on your subreddit. This helps you keep important information visible when you need it, and remove it when it's no longer relevant, keeping your community space clean, current, and easy for members to browse.